Hi, I'm meteorologist Eddie Holmes, and this is your severe weather update from West Tennessee Weather Online for Saturday. And this was recorded at 12:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time, April 24th. Well, the overview continues to be a fact about the severe weather. There is a high risk for severe weather this afternoon, and that is in anticipation for more severe thunderstorm development and the likelihood of it. There's a possibility of thunderstorm winds of up to 60 to 80 miles an hour, golf ball sized hail, and strong, long lived tornadoes. Here's the tornado watch that's currently in effect until 8 o'clock, and it virtually extends from just south of St. Louis all the way to almost the Gulf Coast, and you can see it extends across much of the state of Mississippi, western Tennessee, portions of Kentucky, Illinois, Missouri, and Arkansas. And of course, the storms that we're going to continue to be interested in are those that are coming out of Mississippi. And as you can see, they're quite strong looking, at least on radar. In fact, let's get a closer look at radar. National Weather Service Doppler radar. This was as of about 12:42, so this is very time sensitive in the time it was recorded. But just to give you a sense that this is one area of thunderstorms, no severe weather has been associated with it. It's lifting to the northeast. But the thunderstorms that we are going to be most concerned about are those that are in Mississippi, and those there are two areas that are operating. One's in northeast Mississippi and pushing to the northeast, impacting Hardin and adjacent counties, McNairy County and portions of Decatur County. The other is swinging through northwest Mississippi right now and will probably come on up into West Tennessee. And all of these storms are going to have the potential for producing severe weather and possibly tornadoes. There is a high risk. There's the categorical risk, high risk across about the western, almost western two-thirds of Tennessee, and picking up Mississippi, Alabama, and Kentucky. And around that is a moderate risk that includes a larger area that extends all the way up into the Midwest and down to the Gulf Coast. Now, as far as the tornado risk is concerned, this is a product the Storm Prediction Center puts out, and you can see that there's a 30% chance that a tornado can occur within a 25-mile wide radius of any point within that circle. So you can just see the probability of this happening. This is very high considering what typically is the case. So 30% chance, and that's why we're going to be suspicious of every thunderstorm that pushes through the region, and we want to impress upon you to do so as well. Okay, so we recap the fact that there's a high risk for severe weather this afternoon with the possibility of thunderstorm winds as high as 60 to 80 miles an hour, golf ball sized hail, and strong, long-lived tornadoes. Make sure you review your tornado safety rules. If you haven't done that, now's the time to do that. Make sure you have a NOAA weather radio or standard radio with fresh batteries. It looks like most of this activity should wind down by about 8 o'clock this evening. We'll be updating as necessary, and you can get the very latest on Facebook. Just find us on West Tennessee Weather Online. I'm meteorologist Eddie Holmes. Have a safe rest of the day.